Make your Christmas unforgettable with this wonderful main course. Refined fish rolls served on a bed of golden potatoes and accompanied by a fresh and fragrant green sauce. First, let's peel and cut the potatoes into pieces. After rinsing the potatoes very well, I add a drizzle of oil and some salt. And some pepper. I mix. And I arrange the potatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. A little more oil and we bake the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients, starting with the breadcrumbs. We chop half a clove of garlic and some desalted capers. And some anchovy fillets. Finely chopped, we add it to the breadcrumbs, and of course we also add a bit of oil. And we mix everything together. And we set it aside. For this recipe, I'm using place fillets, but you can use any type of fillets you like. And now let's stuff these delicious fillets. Let's put a bit of the breadcrumb mixture we prepared earlier on each fillet. I add a pinch of pepper but no salt because the capers and anchovies are already quite flavorful, so let's skip it and I'll just add a pinch of pepper. This of course is optional. If you want it, add it. If you don't, just leave it out. And now let's gently roll up these nice fillets, nice and soft. Here they are, aren't they cute? And let's continue with all the others. We put the remaining breadcrumbs, the mixture we prepared earlier, in a small pan and let it toast. The breadcrumbs are ready. We let them cool and set them aside. After 20 minutes, the potatoes are almost cooked, and at this point we add the place fillets. A little drizzle of oil. I'm back in the oven for about 10 minutes, okay? The oven is calling. While the 10 minutes pass, let's prepare a green sauce, so with parsley. I've already chopped it a bit, okay? A bit of garlic, half a clove of garlic, a little salt, just a bit, and I also add a bit of pepper. What do you think? Very good, and a bit of oil, plenty of it. And with a hand blender, we blend everything together. And here are our rolls. They've just come out of the oven. To recap, I baked the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes. Then I added the place fillets and put them back in the oven to cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. And now all that's left is to prepare the plate. Dearest friends, all that's left for me is to taste it, right?
How is it?
Delicious, oh my, and with this magical taste, I say goodbye to you.